welcome. Once again, a big applause. खुशियां नगमे बिखेर रही है, खुशियां नगमे बिखेर रही है, दबे दबे पांव से कुछ कह रही है। उत्सव 2022 के खास अवसर पर हम सब मिलकर आए हैं, स्वागत करने को चेहरे पर मुस्कान और जुबान पर कुछ मीठे शब्द लाए हैं। Greetings to one and all present here. It's my pleasant duty to bid a genial welcome to all of you, and I take a privilege to extend a heartfelt welcome to our worthy administrator, Sir Dr. Virendra Singh. Sir, our students are known as prospective teachers or teacher trainees. Basically contribute to educational arena of the country. And today we all are going to witness these brilliant faces receiving prizes, awards, exhibiting their talents, and will definitely become, these all students will definitely become the torch bearers of state as well as nation. उत्सव, जैसा कि नाम से ही सुनकर के मन में एक प्रसन्नता आ जाती है। उत्सव, जैसा कि ये शब्द है, खुशियां बिखेरता हुआ, मन में रंग बिरंगी भावनाएं भरता हुआ, हम सबके मानस पटल पर हंसते से चेहरे नजर आने लगते हैं। Yes, Utsav is a platform which is specially provided to our students to instill and enhance life-related skills, making them compassionate, resourceful, as well as adding human values. As education is about far more than what happens in the four walls of the classroom, such kind of activities bring joy, laughter, and happiness in the monotonous daily routine life, as well as make our outlook better. We, the faculty of this institution, wish all the students to be good human beings and make this world a better place to live in. We all are gathered here to motivate and inspire our students of different departments of B.Ed, M.Ed and D.El.Ed. And this celebration is also an effort to highlight the institution's effort for continuous growth and excel in the field of education. As well, this program is also an opportunity to welcome our chief guest, Dr. Virendra Singh. कहना चाहूँगी, वो खुद ही नाप लेते हैं बुलंदी आसमानों की, परिंदों को नहीं तालीम दी जाती उड़ानों की। महकना और महकाना तो काम है खुशबू का, खुशबू नहीं महताज होती कद्रदानों। On behalf of the institution, I cordially and respectfully welcome our chief guest, Dr. Virendra Singh Ji, worthy administrator of Vaish Education Society and working in Center for Professional and Allied Studies of MD. Dr. Virendra has held many positions of administrative and academic level, like in charge of Department of Law, Warden Boys Hostel, Member University Court, Member Board of Studies, Department of Law and many more. Sir has specialization in parliamentary studies, election laws and constitutional laws. Dr. Singh has published 2 books and more than 45 research papers of national and international repute. Sir has attended more than 50 seminars, workshops and has chaired many sessions in conferences also at national and international level. Sir has supervised 5 PhD students and 60 students in LLM dissertations. Moreover, Sir has also participated in TV debates also. Now here I would like to add, Sir is continuously adding more feathers in his cap with dedication, enthusiasm and zeal. A big applause please. Once again, on behalf of the fraternity of our college, we accord a genial welcome you, sir. I extend a heartfelt welcome to our teaching and non-teaching faculty and supportive staff. I congratulate all of you for the coordination amongst all of you for making this program successful. I also accord a warm welcome to young and aspiring minds as without their cooperation, without their dedication, without their efforts, this program would not have been taken place. In the last but not the least, the members who are from newspapers, from the media persons, I would like to welcome them also. You all are once again welcome here. Before I leave the dais, I would like to give a message to my all the students. यूं ही नहीं मिलेगी, यूं ही नहीं मिलती राही को मंजिल, एक जुनून सा दिल में जगाना पड़ता है। पूछा चिड़िया से किसी ने, पूछा चिड़िया ने किसी से कैसे बना आशियाना, तो बोली भरनी पड़ती है उड़ान बार बार। माइंड इट, भरनी पड़ती है उड़ान बार बार, तिनका तिनका उठाना पड़ता है। सो नेवर एवर लेट योरसेल्फ डाउन, start your every day with a new hope, filled with enthusiasm, positivity. All the very best for all of you for future endeavors.